Hello everyone and welcome to this section of the course. In this section, we are going to create a user-controlled wallet. For this, we are going to have a couple of steps, but don't worry, they will be easy to digest. First of all, we are going to get our API key. Without this, we cannot do anything with the Circle API. So after getting our API key, we are going to follow a couple of steps to create a new wallet for the user. First of all, we are going to get our app ID. After getting our app ID, we are going to create a user, acquire session token, and finally, we are going to initialize our user. Only after that, we can create a wallet. Like a lot of steps, but don't worry, as I said before, they are going to be fairly easy and I will be with you along the way. So let's start with the API key.